Today we're making challah bread. First you're going to start by making your yeast mixture. We accidentally made enough to make 5 loaves of bread, so definitely make a smaller batch. Next you're going to take your flour and measure that out. Let that mix for 30 seconds. Now we're going to make our oil, honey, and yeast mixture. It's 1/4 and 1 teaspoon of honey and oil and 1 cup of yeast mixture, yeast and water, plus 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk. Now I'm just mixing up the yeast batch and pouring that into our wet mixture, and then I'm going to pour that into the dry and let that mix. Look how lovely that looks mixing. Now we're going to spray our bowl and take the dough from that bowl and transfer it into a bowl to sit for about 2 hours in a nice warm spot, away from sunlight. Now you're going to cut it into 3 pieces. I let my boyfriend's mom take over the braiding part, and she did a really good job. And then you're going to just do a 3-strand braid, and then you're going to let that sit covered in plastic wrap for another hour, and then you will bake it on 350 for about 35 minutes.